Hey, what's up, guys? The reason why you should switch to a PEX pipe at this time of the year because it is cold. For example, under my sink, it's all shattered. As you can see right there, it's going. And in the bathroom, everywhere, it is going. As you can see, this is a tank that it's made out of metal. It is busted. So this is what happened when it goes -0 or below 0 degrees in Tennessee. As you can see over here, this tank over here, it is a thick metal, but it busted. As you can see over there, that is all ice in there right now. And the PEX pipe right here, nothing happened to it. See, everything is in perfect shape. There is more reason why you should switch to this, but keep in mind, I am not trying to sell you anything of this. That's just what I think. This is the best. That's what I see. So let's get into it and let's get this done today. All right, so I'm going to do the whole system. As you can see over here, this is the 3/4, and this is the half inch, and this is the half inch. And I probably need more, but right now, this is a $900 US dollar in price right now, including all my clamps and this tool and all the supply I need that they have, like the switch valve, that the tune off and on. And I'm going to put some cut off valve as well in the bottom. That way, individual bathroom or sink it's got own switch. That way, if I want to work on one side, I can cut it off and I can have water on the other side. So that's my idea over here. So that's what I spent over here. It's my own money, and this is the tool you really need for this one over here. I'm not going to explain you much, but let me try to focus over here to you. As you can see, it still got the sticker on, so that's the sticker. Okay, so that's how the tool look like. Don't use any other clamper or any plier because that's not accurate, because this is calibrated to put the pressure on this and automatically to shut it and you let it go. It's completely, there is no leak or nothing. It shouldn't be a leak. And there's another tool that you need over here. This is from Lowe's. I got it a long time ago. It is the brass. I don't think they make this anymore, but there is one related to this one. It's about $50 to 1/4 to 1 inch as well. So it is perfect to have it with the group over here. There's a smaller one like this one over there. It's a $20. But this is the core build from Ross or from eBay. You can buy this from them. But this is worthless. So don't waste your money on this one. But so the first step you gotta take, or you gotta know, that this is, in my case, this is the CPVC. So you're going to have this adapter over here to invert to the PEX pipe. So this is what exactly you need if you got the CPVC. As you can see over there, this is also available in Amazon. So you can buy this from Amazon or from Lowe's. In your case, it could be the black pipe, or I don't know how you call that, but it's the black one or the PVC. So that means you got to make sure you get the right one. The black one, I seen a whole bunch yesterday in Lowe's, but this one over here, it took me a while. I don't have to go through all this stuff to find this one. And again, to do this, you got to think twice, because if you're doing it by yourself, you got to do it right. As you can see, my tool, I got my right tool, I got everything. But one more step you need to take: if it's cold outside, if it's very hot, or if your pipe is old or something like that, make sure you heat it up, heat gun or hair dryer, heat it up, and then cut it with this. But if you can't cut it with this, get a kind of saw, just cut it, or grinder, cut it over here. That way it won't shatter. If not, when you push this one together, it will crack, and then you can have more problem. So in this case, that's what I'm going to do. And after you cut it, of course, make sure you do some first, because it's going to take longer time to dry. But in my case, I'm going to do this one right now, and then I'm going to do the other stuff. But at the end, I'm just going to put the hose over here and clamp it down, open the water, and I got water. Okay, this is how it look like right now. The blue pex is from here all the way in there. I am finally finished the project, but this is 10 days later. That way I can give you the result and what I done, how is it working. As you can see right now, the damaged CPVC pipe, it is still laying over here. Good thing I did the whole thing because it was damaged. It would have took me a month to replace or patching individual pieces when I go, in plus you can make mess, with the water leak, everything like that. But I did a good job on this part. So I did not show you how I did it, how it gets done. It's because it's not much to see, not much to show you. But I will go through and show you around what I did right, what I did wrong, and why I did wrong. So stay tuned and let's continue on this one. So again, from here to the hot water heater in here and out back here is a hot water continues that way and out that way, and down here under the house it continues out there with the 3/4 pex pipe all the way out there where the red pex pipe begins. But this is a mistake. The reason I did it this way is because it holds more water, so it will keep it longer than not to get it freeze up fast. Because more water you got, longer time to get it freeze up. That's why I did it like this. But as I say, it is a mistake. But over here, it should be half inch pipe right here. That way the hot water heater will not lose pressure. In this case over here, I am having some different pressure than before. Continuing with the mistake, as you can see this 3/4 blue pex pipe. This one over here, it I branched it out before the cold water got to the hot water heater, which this one, it will reduce a lot of pressure on the hot water that you use. This is a big mistake. I should not have done this. This pipe over here or this one over here, it shouldn't be a 3/4, it should be a half inch, but it be after the hot water heater, not before. In this case, this is a big mistake right here. I branched it off before it got to the hot water heater, and the other bathroom over there, I branched everything off before the hot water heater. This is a mistake, guys. Back to the hot water heater. I should have done or be better or the right way to do it. This is the cold water coming here, coming into here, and coming back out here. So from here, it should have been a half-inch pegs over here, like down over there, and all the way out to the other bathroom, whatever, before everything out there. It should not have anything branch off this one before it gets to here. And from over here, it should or need to be half-inch pipe over here. This way, it will keep the even pressure with the hot water in cold water. But I didn't do it this way. It's because for that one reason, I wanted to keep it more water in the pipe. And I already told you why I did this mistake and what kind of mistake that I did. There is two reasons you shouldn't do this or make this mistake. One, you will lose your hot water pressure. Two, it will take forever to get your hot water to the bathroom or to anywhere else because the pipe it is big and holds a lot of water, and then it will get cold, and then it will take forever to get your hot water. All right, that's enough running my mouth. I hope this video was helpful for you or got some idea, learn something from this video. If it was helpful for you, go ahead, hit the like button or share, and then subscribe, hit the bell notification. And thank you very much for watching this video. Until next time, bye bye.